Hi, this is Jonathan Mendez, your licensed real estate broker in San Quintin, Baja California. I would like to invite you to take the time and to see this house that we have for rent. It's a 2-bedroom house, has a big living room, and also has a big kitchen, a garage for 4 vehicles, and most importantly, it's just a 5-minute walk to a sandy beach. This house is located in El Socorrito, which is about 4 hours south of the border of San Diego. I would like to invite you also to see more options that we have, not only for rent but for sale, in my website, which is mendezrealtygroup.com. Thank you very much.